Hi there, today we will understand how to use Azure Portal 100% free. You don't have to enter your card information or you don't have to pay anything. So before we start, let me first tell you, if you are new to Azure and if you want to explore the Azure components, if you want to explore the Azure, then you can create Azure free subscription. So Azure subscription will give you $200 credit to explore Azure components or Azure services for 30 days. Along with, you will get 12 months of popular free services. Also, you will get 25 plus services always free. You don't have to pay anything for those services. Once you will finish your 200 credits, either your 200 credits limit will end, or if your 30 days or if you will cross 30 days, after that, if you want to explore, if you want to use these services, you have to go with pay as you go subscription. Okay, so if you can see, in my case I am using pay as you go service. Okay, if I want to create any services or any logic app or any components, I have to use this subscription. All right, and then only I can create my services in Azure Portal. Okay, now coming to the point where some students want, or some people want, they don't want to spend money. Okay, but they want to explore services, or they want to learn Azure. Okay, so in that case, how they can do that? So we have one option where you don't have to register your card, you don't have to pay anything, and you can use Azure services without any cost. How you can do that? There is a learn portal, okay, provided by Microsoft. If you can see, doc.microsoft.com ENUS learn. So just go to this portal and you can get a lot of learning path or learning modules that you can visit and you can learn completely free. You don't have to pay anything. So it is a learning path provided by Microsoft and you can learn Azure completely free here. So now let's coming to the point how you can use the free portal without paying anything or without providing the card information. So every day Microsoft will give you 10 sandbox for each day, and each sandbox will have 4 hours of limit. Okay, so if I'll show you here, I have already used 2 sandbox today, and if I'll activate my another sandbox, let's try to activate it. So it is verifying the permission, all the background things it will be done by Microsoft. So it will create a sandbox, temporary sandbox for me. Okay, so there I can perform some lab, or I can explore the Azure if I want. All right, so it is creating all the things in a background. So it is finishing. Yeah, you can see here, sandbox activated, time remaining 3 hours 59 minutes. So 4 hours window I'll get this. So I have a window for 4 hours for this sandbox. Okay, and if you can see here, you have used 3 sandbox today out of 10. So that means for every day I'll get 10 sandbox. I can use 10 sandbox. That means 4 hours for one sandbox and 10 sandbox, like 40 hours. So Microsoft is giving me 40 hours and I can explore everything. One point that you keep in your mind, after 4 hours, whatever component or whatever services I'll create, everything will be deleted automatically. Okay, you cannot restore that or you cannot save that. Okay, so it is just of a short period. If you want to explore something on Azure Portal, if you want to learn something on Azure Portal, then this is very useful and it is completely free. You don't have to register anything, you don't have to pay anything. Okay, so if you can see here, this is connected, and now if I want to go on portal, if I want to visit, so I'll go here in a new tab, I'll open portal.azure.com. okay, so it is just validating my account. All right, so as of now I'm already using my another subscription, pay as you go, that I showed you previously. Pay as you go, I'm already using this subscription. So by default it will open in this subscription, but if you are not using this subscription, then it will open the free learn account. Okay, so suppose if you are using this pay as you go subscription, then how you can switch that? Just click on your default directory and here just click on switch directory. Okay, if you can see here, I have 3 options. Default directory is my pay as you go, then I have an integration take it directory, and I have Microsoft Learn Sandbox. If you can see here, so if I'll select this one, okay, you just have to select that option and it will show Microsoft Learn Sandbox. okay, the sandbox that I have created. And now if you want to create any services, or if you want to utilize, if you want to learn, then you just have to go here and create your services. So for example, I am creating my Logic app, so I'm selecting the subscription, this one, and then I'll go and choose the my resource group, okay, and accordingly I can give the my Logic app name. So suppose if I'm testing here, test Logic app learn, okay, I'm keeping in a West US region, and just click on review and create. It is validating my subscription and I'll create it, okay. So deployment is in progress. Yep, it's done. Here you go. So you don't have to register anything, you don't have to register your card, you don't have to provide the card information, and you can use, or you can explore the Azure services for next 4 hours. So once 4 hours will completed, you can again create your another sandbox and you can explore all the things or all the services in Azure portal, okay. So in this way you can use Azure portal 100% free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have, Microsoft will not charge anything. It is just for the learning purpose. And yes, just one point that you have to keep in your mind: after 4 hours, whatever service or whatever components you will create, everything will be deleted automatically, and you cannot restore those informations. So that's it for the today's session. If you have any question, any query, you can contact me. Have a great day.